This is celery. This is celery.
This is mushroom. This is mushroom.
This is zucchini. This is zucchini. Let's pick this zucchini.
This is bell pepper. This is bell pepper.
This is turmeric. This is turmeric.
This is sweet potato. This is sweet potato.
This is ginger. This is ginger.
This is corn. This is corn.
This is lettuce. This is lettuce.
This is pea. This is pea. Let's pick a pea.
This is eggplant. This is eggplant.
This is green bean. This is green bean. See this pod? Into the bucket.
This is garlic. This is garlic.
This is beetroot. This is beetroot. I pull it from the soil. See the beetroot?
This is chili. This is chili.
This is parsley. This is parsley. This is for the bucket.
This is a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin.
This is coriander. This is coriander. This is coriander.
This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber.
This is mint. This is mint.
This is an onion. This is an onion.
This is brinjal. Brinjal.
This is a tomato. This is a tomato.
This is radish. This is radish. Point to the radish.
This is a potato. This is a potato.
This is cauliflower. This is cauliflower. This is a cauliflower.
This is a carrot. This is a carrot.
This is spinach. I am pointing at the spinach plant.
This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage.
This is broccoli. This is broccoli. This is broccoli.